The feature that I want to demonstrate is our new channel assignment matrix window. So if I were to jump back over here into our coordination, the previous way that users would link frequencies from their coordination list over here to their devices over here was by clicking and dragging and dropping on the respective channel. They also had the option to open up this window and do it one by one at a time. This sufficed, but it wasn't ideal, especially when you have a lot of frequencies in your coordination list or you have a lot of channels on your network. So we've come up with this new assign window here. It looks very much like other audio patch programs, so it should be fairly intuitive for users, but every device that you have added on your network will show up here on the top. So if I were to expand the EWDX and the Axient Digitals, I can then expand down over here, and now you'll see you have kind of like this check grid box UI where you can assign channels. So I'll assign this channel to this channel, and you can actually see the assigning happening in the background. Now I can expand all here, or I can collapse all, make it very easy. And wherever the state of my collapse or expand was, when I close it, it saves it for you, so it'll always remember. And that's just a new way to assign channels to frequencies fairly quickly. Again, this is all coming in upcoming releases, and we're excited to get this out for you.